Hey guys. I know, I'm horrible. It's already set up. I got this upgraded wheel chuck. I already have one in my enclosed trailer. It saved my bike on the ride home, so let's get into it. There we go. Alright, so you just gotta line this up. I'm actually moving it forward more than it needs to be. Alright guys, we're back. Battery died, but luckily enough I heard the shutter close on the camera. So let's throw that in there. With this wheel chuck, comes with spacers and all the hardware. Now that's on there good. Then you can adjust this depending on what size tire you need to raise that, or you can lower it down one more. It'll bring this side down a little bit depending on what size tire you're running. I'm pretty sure on the sport bikes, I'm running it in the middle, I think. Don't quote me on that, and we'll find out once we put the bike up here. But I'm guessing the tie downs are probably going to be in here. But these here, you just have your nut on the top and the bottom, and you're just pinching. Just pinching in between the. Don't drop your nuts, especially if you try unloading this by yourself. It doesn't appear as though my camera is aimed in the right direction. You know what I probably should do is stop being an idiot and turn my viewfinder around like that, and then I can see exactly, oh there we go. I can see exactly what the camera sees. I guess that's why they put that there. See me? Not really. Do I want that? There we go. Point you down a little. Oh no. No fire. Over there. Wow. It's hard to get your finger to go the right direction. There. No fire. Tomorrow though, because I'm working tomorrow out here. This is just a setup. Oh, so nice. Fairings. Doing the brakes right here. Oh yeah. Eventually I'll go through. Then quality control wasn't real good there. It's missing some welds as far as the welds are there. They're just not touching both pieces of metal. Here, oops. Let's get it right in there. Grab the right spot here. Alright. So, I got up in there. See these. Right in there. most of them look pretty good. What I was watching it flex around. This one here is not hooked. This one here, barely. But it is what it is. You know what I mean? It's not $1,000 lift. I don't expect it to be the quality of $1,000 lift. But as you've seen, you know what I mean? If the bike's up there, it's not going anywhere. All right, guys, that's it. Fingers in there. Peace. All right, guys. After messing with it a little bit and looking at it a little bit more, I moved that back. This was the whole pattern here. That was the front hole. That was the back hole. I moved it back so that the front hole is now in the rear section, right there. And then over here, which also put me right over top of that support, and it took a lot of flex out of it that way and this way. A lot more comfortable with the bike on it like that. But I think that's the way to go. This bike only weighs, I don't know, 400 pounds, so it's not even halfway to the weight. And everybody else is putting big old hogs on them, so we'll be good. I love it. I can put it up here, clean up chains and everything. So the stand, the combination between the stands and the lift is going to be an absolute joy to have in the shop. So the rest of the teardown videos are done, edited, and ready to go. So thanks, guys. Peace.